Hey guys, Cody with CJC Off-Road. It's good to be back. Sorry for missing so many videos. I recently had a newborn kid and a lot of changes going on in my life. So happy to be back and show you guys another awesome build we did this spring for one of our customers. This is a brand new Ram 2500. The customer actually had to go from California to Texas just to get this truck with all these shortages. He brought it to us locally, had an Autobahn collision, do some paint matching, and then brought the truck in for the full treatment. As you can tell, this truck looks nothing like stock. Starting from the front to the back, actually there's a ton of both Carli Suspension as well as CJC Off-Road products. Highlighting our own products, it's gonna have our Baja Design Squadron Conversion Kit, which we supply both a Baja Designs kit as well as some of our own parts that we source through Dodge, as well as our intercooler guard in black and our shock guards on the rear. Highlighting the suspension, this has the Carli Suspension Pintop 3.25 system with basically every single upgrade you can put on the truck. Starting up front, it's got the Torsion sway bar, it's got the custom tuned King 2.5 shocks, Carli Suspension's coils, their track bar, their radius arms. The overall ride of this truck is drastically different than stock. Not only on smooth parts of the highway, you're still feeling a lot less transfer into your floorboard, things like that. Going over dips, train tracks, this truck is an absolute animal. Going to the rear end as far as the suspension setup is concerned, again, the full Carli 3.25 kit, so it's gonna have their multi-rate rear coils, custom tuned King 2.5s again, also paired with the rear shock guards that we provided. Something simple, that way if a road debris or something like that were to fly up under the truck, it's not damaging this expensive shock you just put on the truck. It's also got the Carli Suspension rear track bar drop as well as the rear sway bar ends. So often you guys see us use the 20-inch trail-ready wheel, which is actually one of our favorite wheels to use. This customer opted for the 17-inch trail-ready, so this is still in the 5.5-inch back spacing that you see us use quite often. It's running on the 37 by 1250 Nitto Ridge Grappler tire. This customer actually went with the 17 instead of the 20 because he wanted the utmost ride improvement. Going with the 37 on a 17 versus the 20 is gonna give you a little bit more sidewall, so if you're driving somewhere with a lot of potholes or a lot of small imperfections in the road, the tire is actually gonna be able to absorb that a lot better because your suspension can't absorb all those small hits, but a bigger sidewall definitely can. So again, 5.5-inch back spacing on the 17-inch trail-ready wheel. The fitment is perfect. There's just a slight amount of trimming, but it gives the truck a very good footprint or a very good stance. And as you guys can tell from this video, this truck turned out just about perfect. So I was super thrilled to work with this customer. It was a local customer who I'm not sure had ever really built a custom vehicle, especially not at this caliber. He really wanted to get a diesel pickup truck to haul around town, do things like that, while still wanting an excellent ride because it is a daily driver to work. We were really pleased with the outcome. I think he was extremely pumped with just the overall ride quality. We saw him shortly after because he was super pumped and wanted to bring it by and say thanks again. Again, just getting through LA streets, LA lives up to its stereotypes as a poorly maintained city, so potholes, transitions, things like that, those are everywhere. The 37s paired up with the 17-inch wheels really eat up all those small imperfections and make this truck a real joy to drive. Hitting railroad crossings, things like that, you don't even have to hit the brakes. You can hold your cup of coffee and get to work in comfort. On top of that, there's actually a ton of local trails in Southern California, so this customer is now able to take this truck to all the local trails, take his family out, do a nice lunch on a Saturday, get to the top of a couple of viewpoints, things like that. With the intercooler guard, the shock guards paired up with the Carli Suspension kit, the 37s, the trail readies, this overall package is extremely capable in just about every situation. Wait, if you guys are interested in any of the parts on this truck, they will all be linked down below, so please feel free to click those links, check them out. If you have any questions, shoot us a message, shoot us a comment, give us a call. Thanks for watching. It's good to be back, and I'll see you guys on the next one.